Hi everyone, here we've got Honor 10X Lite, and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System and Updates. As you can see, on the third position we've got Language and Input, so let's tap on it and tap on Language and Region. As you can see here, we've got the list of previously added languages. We've got English and Spanish. So in order to add new one, just tap on Add a Language. And here we've been transferred to the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do right now is simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick French, for example. Let me tap on it. And as you can see right now, your device will ask you if you want to change your system language to French. So let me tap on Change. And as you can see, the French language immediately appears at the very top of the list. And from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case, French, obviously. So let me show you how to change the language in another way. If you've got plenty of them added here, then all you have to do, the basic rule is that the main language is on the very first position. So if I would like to change the French to English, if I would like to set the English as a main one, just tap on it and hold it. And as you can see, I can move it. So let's drag it to the very first position and wait a second. And as you can see, it immediately changes to the English. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the language. And now I can show you how to remove the languages from this list, because for some reason you do not need 2 or 3 different languages added, which you won't ever use. So just tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove Languages. And as you can see right now, you can mark those which you want to remove and tap on Remove. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so just tap on OK, and as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually, that's all. This is how to change system language in your Honor 10X Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.